Hi everyone. In this video I am going to explain about the surface areas of a combination of solids. Suppose in this a cone is combined with a hemisphere. Hemisphere surmounted by a cone. Then how can you find out the total surface area of this figure? So if you want to find out TSA of this combined figure, we have to find out the CSAs of cone and CSAs of hemispheres. These CSAs you have to find out. So CSA of cone is pi RL and CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. If you join together, pi r of L plus 2r will be left over. Square units you will get. So this is nothing but total surface area of combined solid, total surface area of a toy which is in the shape of a hemisphere surmounting a cone. Okay, then CSA of cone and CSA of hemisphere will consider, and if you take the common together, whatever you think you will get pi r. So that much is the pi r into L plus 2r is the square units is the total surface area of this combined figure. Coming to like this, if this is a cylinder, one side is mounted by a cone and another side is bounded by hemisphere, then what is the total surface area? TSA of this combined figure is equal to CSAs of individual figures. CSA of hemisphere, CSA of cylinder and CSA of cone you have to take. Because why these bases were merged together? These bases were merged together. Only curved surface area is exposed for the cylinder and curved surface area is exposed for the hemisphere and curved surface area is exposed for the cone. That's why only CSAs you have to consider. So CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square plus CSA of cylinder is 2 pi r h plus CSA of cone is pi r l, and if you take common pi r, then or square pi r 2 pi r you can take common, pi r you can take common. By taking as pi r common, 2r will be left over here, 2h will be left over here and L will be left there. So pi r into 2r plus 2h plus L is the square units is the formula for a combined solid which is combined with a cylinder is combined with one side hemisphere and one side cone. Like that only a capsule is there. For cylinder, two sides hemispheres were struck. This is also one of the possibility. Like that only if a cylinder is combined with two sides cone, that is also a possibility is there. So accordingly we have to find out the surface areas, total surface areas by using curved surface areas. Okay. For example, we will consider the one of the problem. The toy is in the shape of a cone mounted on the hemisphere. The diameter of the base and the height of the cone are 6 cm and 4 cm respectively. Then find the surface area of the toy he asked. Use the pi value as 3.14 inside. Okay, that means what? So the diagram of the toy will be, toy is in this shape, hemisphere is mounted by a cone, then the figure will become like this. Then what are the combination of solids here? One is cone and one is hemisphere, and the bases will be merged together so that base diameter is common for both. That means base radius will become the same in the two situations. Therefore here given diameter is 6 and height is 4 respectively, means first to first and second to second. Then the diameter is equal to 6 cm, radius is equal to d by 2 is 3 cm and height is 4 cm and radius is equal to 3 cm because the same common radius 3 cm here you will get. Then coming to this, now you have to find out the total surface area of toy is equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. CSA of hemisphere. That is equal to CSA of cone is pi RL formula and CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Pi RL plus 2 pi r square. So pi r is taken out common. L plus 2r will be left over. But to find out the slant height, this is the slant height, this is the perpendicular height and this is the radius for the cone. So you have to find out the slant height. To find out the slant height of a cone, the formula is root of h square plus r square because this forms a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, L square is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Therefore, L is equal to root h square plus r square you will get based on that. But these two are the Pythagorean triplets. So automatically L you will get it as 5. Okay, 5 centimeters L is. Then you substitute in this 3.14 into radius, base radius is 3 into L is 5 plus 2r is 6 centimeters. That is equal to 3.14 into 3 into 11. And multiplication 3.14 into 33 becomes 103.62 centimeters square. So total surface area of this toy is nothing but 103.62 centimeters square. One more sum will consider one more problem. A solid is in the form of a right circular cylinder with a hemisphere at one end and cone at other end. So according to that first sentence, the diagram will be like that. This is the cylinder with one end is the hemisphere and other end is the cone. Okay. The radius of the common base is 8 centimeters. Radius of the common base means these bases are merged together. That means cone radius is 8 centimeters, cylinder radius is 8 centimeters and hemisphere radius is also 8 centimeters. Okay. Next, height of cylindrical and conical portions are 10 centimeters and 6 centimeters respectively. Height of cylindrical portion. So let it be H1 and H2. These are different heights. How much is the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeters and conical portion is 6 centimeters. Then find the TS of the solid and use the pi is equal to 3.14. He asked you to find. Okay, use. Then cone, we have to get what are the formulas are required. Cone pi r l, cylinder 2 pi r h and hemisphere 2 pi r square. So in that L we want. So cone L is nothing but this is L. L is nothing but root of h square plus r square. So r and h are 8 and 6. These are also Pythagorean triplets. So 1, 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. Their multiples are also Pythagorean triplets. So 6, 8, 10 are the Pythagorean triplets. So L is equal to 10 centimeters you will get. Okay. Now to find out the TSA of solid, TSA of given solid is equal to CSA of what are the figures you have? Cone plus CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. That is equal to CSA of cone is pi RL plus CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH plus CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi R square. Then what we can take common? Pi R is taken out common. So L plus pi R 2H plus pi R is there, 2R will be left over. Then substitute the values. Pi is 3.14 into R is common base radius is 8 centimeters. Then L is you got 10 centimeters plus 2 into H. H is in the cylinder. So that's why you have to take 10. 2 into 10 plus 2 into R is 8. That is nothing but 3.14 into 8 into 20, 30, 46. On multiplication you will get 8 into 46 into 3.14 is nothing but 1155.52 centimeters square. So total surface area of this solid is nothing but 1155.52 centimeters square. Next question is, a medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres struck on each of its end. Then the length of the capsule is 14 millimeters. The total length of the capsule is 14 millimeters. And the thickness is 5 millimeters. Thickness comes under diameter. Diameter is equal to 5 millimeters. Find the surface area of the capsule, he asked. So you have the cylindrical shape and hemisphere shape. And both you have to find out the cylinder has length as well as diameter radius. So those two you have to find out, and hemisphere you have to find out the radius. So as common diameter is 5, then radius is equal to 5 by 2 millimeters. And coming to the cylinder also, radius is equal to 5 by 2 millimeters. And the height of the cylinder is given as total length of the capsule is 14. So height of cylinder is equal to total length minus heights of two hemispheres. Height of the hemisphere is nothing but radius, because whatever is the radius, the same will be the height of the cylinder of the hemisphere. So total length is 14 millimeters minus height of the two hemispheres is 2 into radius is 5 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled and 14 minus 5 is 9 millimeters. So 9 millimeters is the height of the cylinder and radius of the hemisphere is 5 by 2. So dimensions you have, then you have to find out the total surface area. So total surface area of capsule is equal to CSA of cylinder plus CSA of 2 into CSA of hemispheres. 2 hemispheres are there, that's why I am multiplying with 2. So CSA of cylinder is 2 pi r h plus 2 into 2 pi r square is the CSA of hemisphere. That is nothing but 2 pi r common, h plus 2 pi r common, 2 r will be left over. So that is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 5 by 2 into h is 9 plus 2r is 5 diameter 5. So 7 2 gets cancelled, 22 into by 7 into 5 into 14, 7 ones is 7 twos, 22 into 10 is nothing but 220 millimeter square. 220 millimeter square is the total surface area of the capsule, which is in the shape of cylinder and either sides hemispheres were merged together. One more problem. So two cubes of each 64 centimeter cubes are joined end to end together. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So two cubes are joined together. The total formed figure is a cuboid. It is a cuboid. So you have to find out the surface area of the cuboid. So first of all, what are the dimensions given? So what is the given that volume of cube? Volume of cube is equal to 64 centimeter cube. Therefore, side edge or side of a cube is equal to edge of a cube is equal to a edge of a cube. How can you get? He is asking. If you get the edge of a cube, so that you can find out the dimensions of the cuboid and then you can find out the surface area of the cuboid. But what is the volume? Volume of a cube is equal to a cube. So this is volume of cube and this is also volume of cube. So you can equate it. A cube is equal to 64 and 64 can be written as 4 cube, implies A is equal to 4 centimeters you will get. So edge of a cube, A is equal to 4 centimeters. But what are the dimensions of a cuboid? Cuboid dimensions. This is 4. This is 4. So length becomes 4 plus 4, 8 centimeters. And breadth is 4 only. And height is 4 centimeters. So breadth is 4 centimeters. And height is also 4 centimeters. So dimensions of the cuboid we got. Therefore, we have to find out the surface area of cuboid. So individual figures, to find out the surface areas, you have to take the total surface area. And combined figures, if you want to take the total surface area, CSA of individual figures will consider. So total surface area of the cuboid is equal to 2 of LB plus BH plus LH. That is nothing but 2 of L is 8 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 4 into 8 is nothing but 2 of 32 plus 16 plus 32 is nothing but 2 of so 32 plus 16 plus 32 is nothing but 80. 2 into 80 is 160 square centimeters is the total surface area of the cuboid formed by two cubes whose volume is 64 centimeter cube. In next my upcoming videos, you can watch the volumes of combined figures. That means volume of hemisphere and cone is there arranged. How can you find out the volumes and those? And next the surface volumes are equal, then the conversions of one solid to another solid. Conversions of one solid to another solid also we can learn. So have a nice day and happy learning.